invite everyone to maybe take anything that's on your lap and put it to the side, lean back, begin to relax, begin to take some slow, deep breaths, allowing that breath to release any tension in the muscles, allowing that breath to release any thoughts that are mingling in your mind, any to-do list for today. We just let that go. Breathing in this present moment. Being willing to be fully present right here, right now. Just be with our breath, be with whatever's going on in our body, be present to spirit that is here in the present moment. That presence right here, right now. We are immersed in an energy of peace, in an energy of love, in an energy of wholeness and well-being. And so we surrender to that. We allow that to have its way with us, through us, in us, as us. We allow it to grow in our heart and feel it vibrating through every cell of our being. And we'll do that in the silence together for the next couple of minutes. Anchored ourselves in the awareness, in the presence of pure peace, of pure spirit. we have been participating in co-creating an opening to this energy of wholeness, well-being, peace, divine light, divine guidance, infinite good for ourselves and for our world. And so I would invite you now to bring to mind someone who probably could use a little of this energy of love and peace and well-being. Just bring them to mind, hold them in your heart. You might want to say their name softly aloud into this healing vortex. And so we know that right now, that energy of healing, of light, of infinite good, of well-being, of guidance, is fully present where each of these individuals are. It is activating, coming to life. And for this and so much more, we are grateful. And so we take a nice deep breath and begin to bring our awareness back into the room, back into our physical body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Stretch a little bit. Coming fully back in.